It's a good idea to secure your cashmere hair extensions at the top with a ponytail holder before you begin to wash your hair extensions. This ensures that your hair extensions will stay together and prevents tangling while you're washing them. Once you've secured your hair extensions together, now it's time to fill the sink with lukewarm water. And then we're gonna fill the sink also with a little bit of our cashmere hair shampoo. The shampoo is specially designed to revitalize your clip-in hair extensions. We just mix in a little bit of the shampoo into the water and then submerge your clip-in hair extensions into the water. If you would like to do a quick wash, don't put the top where the clips are and the tracks are into the water. This will help you dry them quicker when you need to wash them quickly, but if you want to wash them completely, you can put the clips into the water as well. Work the soapy water into your hair extensions gently. Once you've washed them, it's time to rinse them. We recommend draining the water and rinsing under lukewarm water. Don't forget to rinse where the clips are. Wring out any excess water and lay your hair extensions to the side. Take the cashmere hair conditioner, put about a quarter-sized amount in the palm of your hand, and you're going to apply the conditioner just to the ends of the hair. If you think that it needs more conditioning, you can add it to the full length of the hair, but you do not need to add conditioner to where the clips and the tracks are at the top. So anything above the ponytail holder does not need conditioner. Work the conditioner through the strands, and when you're done, you can rinse. Next, you can use our deep treatment. This treatment only needs to be used every once in a while and not with every wash. Use about a quarter-sized amount and apply it just to the ends of the hair, working it through the strands. You can let the deep treatment sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then again, fill your sink with lukewarm water and rinse. You want to make sure to get all of your conditioner or deep treatment out of your clip-in hair extensions, making sure not to leave any residue behind. Lay your clip-in hair extensions aside and grab your cashmere hairbrush. This is a great time to detangle the strands, and use your cashmere hairbrush and start with the ends and work your way up. Now you're ready to dry your cashmere hair. We recommend just using a towel and folding it over and pressing on the hair gently. You never want to wring the hair. This can tangle it. Now you're ready to lay your hair flat. We recommend using the cashmere hairbrush and separating the tracks, running the brush over each track as you go to detangle further and smooth the strands so that they're pretty straight. If you're in a hurry, you can blow dry them. But the best way to dry them is to lay them flat and let them dry overnight.